Hey listeners, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the fifth episode of #TechSetGo. Today we're going to speak all about Agile methodology. We will speak about its life cycle, benefits, and best practices for it. The era we live in is highly competitive. Organizations are in need of the tools and processes which can be used to meet the fast-paced delivery with minimum cost and excellence. The concerns raised by organizations are either on software stability, address issues before they bang the end users, and SW release time. It is necessary to adopt a new way of working to enjoy the perks of Agile methodology. Mind Inventory highly recommends Agile methodology, which is being adopted globally. So firstly, let's understand what is Agile testing. The traditional development process goes through a well laid out series of abstraction, designing, coding, testing, and deployment that may take months or even more than a year for a project to complete and make it available to users. Agile testing is a ceaseless procedure which is dissected in multiple phases. Features and functionalities are added with every new delivery, which results in managing the product seamlessly and gives higher customer satisfaction. The very first point that comes into the picture while we speak of Agile testing life cycle, that is planning sprints. Sprints are the core of Agile methodologies, an approach that takes large complex projects and fragments them into smaller manageable pieces. It is the pre-agreed time period in which the team has to work upon the set of requirements and conclude within the duration. The daily scrum needs to be kept where the team comes to talk about the assignments they are working on, what they have finished, and any issues or obstacles that are blocking the work. The second point is designing test cases. It is important for testing team to maintain a cadence with the development team. A test case design enlists how you will go about setting up the entire testing technique. These designs corroborate quality tests to stick to the enacted process. The third point is quality verification and validation. The process is to check the quality of the developed software as soon as the development gets completed and made available for QA. The testing process starts. The team works together to execute testing in an agile environment. The fourth point is review product stability. Usually, a customer wants to add or remove some of the features, change their product, or even change their complete idea. Agile is equated to iterative development, that is, new requirements can be accommodated at any stage of the development process without adding to the complexities. The testing team's responsibility is to validate the requirement changes and maintain stability. The fifth point is regression and deployment. To check the impact on the existing functionality, the manual and automated test cases are run after new user stories are added to the agile development process in order to deploy the quality product. Now, let us jump to some benefits of agile methodology. And before clearing the benefits, let me say you that the benefits are really amazing and the benefits are endless. The first is it is flexible enough to adapt changes in between sprints by incorporating changed requirements. The second is as tasks are segregated, it gives clarity which eliminates errors. Then it provides support for using reusable indexes and lets you focus on the latest customers' needs and expectations rather than following documented broad requirements. This method is more efficient as the errors and defects are more closely figured out due to small fragments of code being tested. It helps to deliver quality software in a timely manner. To ensure the software is acceptable to stakeholders and end users, feedback is appreciated to design software according to their point of view. Lastly, I must say that Agile is really known for the best practices or a very structured practices to form or build an app or software. If you are looking a team full of experts who follow agile methodology, then visit www.mindinventory.com. So, let's meet in the next episode. Keep your tech knowledge up to date to the trend, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel as well, Mind Inventory. See ya.